Welcome back to Market Mindset Pod. I'm Big Money Mike, your market Sherpa guiding you through this financial mountain range where the terrain changes every 5 minutes. Today, we've got gold breaking records, airlines in a pricing war, and a finance company making some risky moves. Plus, a stock pick that's off the beaten path, but might just have some serious upside. Buckle up. It's happening. Gold is having a moment. Prices just hit a record high of $2,250 per ounce, and investors are scrambling to figure out what's driving it. Some say it's inflation fears, others say it's the weak dollar, but here's the reality. Gold shines when uncertainty rises. What's different this time? Unlike past gold rushes, central banks are buying at record levels. China and India, in particular, are stacking reserves, signaling that even governments are feeling cautious about the global economy. The takeaway? Gold isn't just a hedge anymore, it's becoming a major strategic asset. If you're watching commodities, this rally is worth keeping an eye on. If you've been booking flights lately, you've probably noticed airline ticket prices are dropping fast. That's because Delta, American, and United are in a full-blown price war, trying to outdiscount each other to fill seats. The reason? Business travel still hasn't fully recovered, and budget carriers like Spirit and Frontier are undercutting the majors at every turn. Airlines are now slashing fares just to keep planes full, and margins are taking a hit. Here's the problem. Fuel costs are rising, and if this pricing war continues, airlines could be looking at one of their worst profit years in a while. Watch this space, because someone is going to flinch first. Goldman Sachs is making moves. The firm just announced a $5 billion private credit expansion, stepping into territory traditionally owned by major banks. Why? With rising interest rates, companies are turning to private lenders instead of banks to get capital. Goldman is betting big that this shift will be permanent, and if they're right, they could dominate this space for years. Takeaway: Goldman isn't just reacting to market changes, they're shaping them. If they execute well, this could be a defining moment for their next decade of growth. All right, time for the stock pick. Tractor Supply Company, TSCO. Yes, that Tractor Supply, the one that sells everything from farm equipment to dog food. Here's why it's quietly winning. Rural economy resilience. With more people moving to suburban and rural areas, Tractor Supply is thriving where other retailers are struggling. E-commerce boom. Their online sales are growing faster than expected, proving that people really will order livestock feed from an app. Dividend strength. They've been increasing their payout for years, making it a solid option for income investors. It's not a flashy stock, but it's stable, growing, and quietly crushing earnings expectations. Keep an eye on this one. And that's a wrap for today's Market Mindset Pod. We covered gold's record rally, airline price wars, Goldman's big bet, and a stock pick that's thriving off rural America. Thanks for tuning in. Stay sharp, stay informed, and most importantly, stay in the mindset. This is Big Money Mike, signing off. See you next time.